So if you are looking for any way you can add extension to any browser, or you are looking for any browser you can add extension to, then I prefer you go download Mrs. Browser right away. It's the one showing at the screen right now. Just go to your app store or your Play Store to download Mrs. Browser right away. So after downloading Mrs. Browser, just enter the app, and this is how the interface will look like. So all you have to do is just to click on this extension button that is at the top. So just when you click on it, it will pop up a place like this. So all you have to do is just to click on this extension that is here, this extension right here. You just have to click on it, and it's going to load up a page whereby you just have to add extension. So when you are here, you just have to click on this three menu drawn that button that's here. So when you click on it, you click on web store right here. As you can see, discover more extensions and themes on the web store. So you just have to click on this web store right here, and it will take you to the web store whereby you just have to enter anything that you are looking for, that you want to add to extension, maybe a app, airdrop, wallet, and the rest. So right now I'm just going to use one for an example. So I'm just going to type in Bless Network, which is actually Bless. As you can see, just hold on. So let me specify it by entering Bless Network. So I will click on enter, or the search, I will click on search button. It's going to load up it for me. As you can see right here, this is the Bless Network right here. So this is the Bless Network. This is the Bless Network. As you can see, it has already been installed. I've already installed it, and if I type on the extension right here, you are going to see that I've already installed it. Look at it right down below. This is the Bless Network. So this is how you can actually add any extension. So when you just have to click on it. You just have to click on it for you to actually add it. So when you click on it, you load up a page like this. You just have to wait just to allow it to load. So as when it has loaded, you just have to click on add to Chrome. You won't be showing add to Chrome right here because you haven't added it. You haven't added to the extension. So to be showing add to Chrome, all you have to do is just to click on it. Right now, I've already added mine to Chrome. That's why it's showing remove from Chrome. So this is how you can actually add any extension to your Mrs. Browser.